If sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 and cos power 12 theta plus a cos power 10 theta plus b cos power 8 theta plus c cos power 6 theta plus d is equal to 0, then dash. Here is options is given. First option is AB is equal to CD, second one AC is equal to BD, third one AB plus CD is equal to 0, fourth one AC plus BD is equal to 0. This TSM set 2018 question. Here is given sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. From this, sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta, squaring on both sides, that is sin square theta is equal to cos power. Now we know that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to cos power 4 theta. From this, cos power 4 theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now cubing on both sides, that is cos power 4 theta plus cos square theta whole cube is equal to 1 cube is equal to 1. That is a plus b whole cube. That is a cube is cos power 4 theta whole cube, that is cos power 12 theta plus 3ab square, that is 3a square b, that means 3 cos power 8 theta into that 3 cos power 10 theta plus 3ab square, 3 cos power 8 theta plus b cube, that is cos square theta whole cube means that is cos power minus 1 is equal. This is given in the problem, that cos power 12 theta, a cos power 10 theta plus b cos power 8 theta plus c cos power 6 theta plus d is equal to 0. From this, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 1 and d is equal to 1. Clearly observe this, d is equal to minus 1. So that is, we find AC plus BD value. Means AC means 3 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. AC plus BD is equal to 0. Here fourth option is correct answer. Cos 20 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 60 degree, cos 80 degrees dash. Option 3 by 8, second option 1 by 8, third option root 3 by 8, fourth one 1 by 16. This is TSM set 2018 question. Here is given cos 20 degree, cos 40 degree is written as 60 minus 20. Cos 60 we know that is 1 by 2. Cos 80 is written as 60 plus 20. That is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 20 degree, cos 60 minus 20, cos 60 plus 20. That is equal to, we know that the formula, that is cos A into cos of 60 minus A into cos of 3 plus A equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3. So applying this formula, equal to 1 by 2 into is 1 by 4 cos 3a, that is 3 into 20, equal to 1 by 8 into cos 60. So that is 1 by 8 into cos 60, 1 by 2, that is 1 by 60. So here fourth option is correct answer. If cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 2017, then quadrant in which theta lies in dash. This TSM set 2017 question. Here is given cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 2017. From this, sec theta plus cot theta equal to 1 by 2017. So add these two equations, that is 2 cosec theta equal to 2017 plus 1 by 2017. From this, cosec theta is equal to 1 by 2 into 2017, 1 by 2017. This cosec theta is greater than 0. That means theta lies in first and second quadrants. And here is given cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 2070, and cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by 2017. So subtracting these two equations, 2 cot theta is equal to 1 by 2017 minus 2017. From this, cot theta is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2017 minus 2017 is cot theta less than 0. That means theta lies in second and fourth quadrants. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Here is theta lies in first and second, here theta lies in second and two equations. Theta lies in second quadrant. If tan theta 1 is equal to k cot theta 2, then the value of cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to dash. This is TSMCET 2017 question. Here is given tan theta 1 is equal to k cot theta 2. So from this, tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to k. Sin theta 1 into sin theta 2 by cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 is equal to k. From this, sin theta 1 into sin theta 2 is equal to k cos theta 1 cos theta 2. Now we find the value of cos of theta 1 plus theta 2. Cos of theta 1 minus theta 2. Cos of a plus b, that is cos theta 1 into cos theta minus sin theta 1 into sin theta 2. Okay. Cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 plus sin theta 1 into sin. So substitute this form, this is value sin theta 1 into sin theta 2 is equal to k cos theta 1 cos theta 2 in this equation. That is cos theta 1 cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 value is k cos theta 1 cos I cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 plus k cos theta 1 into cos theta 2. Take common cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 in numerator and denominator. Is cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 into 1 minus k by cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 into 1 plus. Here cos theta 1 cos theta 2 cancel, equal to 1 minus k by the value of cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to 1 minus k by 1 plus k. Answer. Cos 13 degree minus sin 13 degrees by cos 13 degrees plus sin 13 degrees plus 1 by cot 148 degrees is equal to dash. This is TSMCET 2016 question. We know that cos A minus sin A by cos A plus sin A is equal to tan of 45 minus A. So applying this formula, that is cos 13 minus sin 13 by cos 13 plus sin 13 is tan of 45 minus 13 plus tan 148 degree, that is equal to tan 45 minus 13, tan 32 plus tan 148 is written as tan of 180 minus 32 equal to tan 32 plus tan of 180 minus theta, that is minus tan 32, that is equal to tan 32 minus tan 32. This cancel, that is equal to 0. If cos x plus cos y plus cos alpha is equal to 0 and sin x plus sin y plus sin alpha is equal to, then cot of x plus y by equal to. This is TSM set 2016 question. Here is given cos x plus cos y is equal to minus cos alpha and sin x plus sin y is equal to minus sin alpha. So applying cos c plus cos d, that is 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to minus cos alpha. So applying sin c plus sin d, that is 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 equal to minus sin alpha. So dividing these by these two equations, 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2, 2 sin of x plus y by 2 to cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to minus cos alpha by minus sin alpha. Here 2 cancel, cos x minus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2 cancel, that is cot of x plus y by 2 is equal to, here minus cancel, cot alpha. The value of cot x by 2 is cot alpha. If a is equal to sin square theta plus cos power 4, then for all values of theta, a lies in the interval. This is TSM set 2015 question. Here is given a is equal to sin square theta plus cos power 4. Power 4 theta is written square theta into theta, that is equal to square theta plus cos square theta into cos square theta is minus sin square, that is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta. So this value is 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. So multiplying and dividing by 4 for this, that is 1 minus 1 by 4 into sin square theta, 4 sin square theta cos square theta is, that is sin square 2 theta. So this is the a value, that is a is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 into sin square of 2 theta. So put sin square 2 theta is equal to 0, that means minimum value is 0, that is 1 minus 1 by 4 into 0, that is equal to 1, and put sin square 2 theta is equal to 1, implies a is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. So the a lies in the interval 3 by 4 comma 1 closed bracket. Here second option is correct answer. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to p and tan theta plus cot theta is equal to, then the value of q of p square minus 1 is equal to dash. TSM set 2015 question. Here is given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to p. So squaring on both sides, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to p square, that is 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to p square. Sin 2 theta is equal to p square minus 1, and the second value is given, that is tan theta plus cot theta is equal to q. Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to q. Take LCM, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to q into sin theta into cos theta, that is 1 is equal to q sin theta cos theta, multiplying by 2, that is 2 is equal to q into 2 sin theta cos. So 2 is equal to q into sin 2 theta. From this sin 2 theta is equal to 2 by q. Substituting the sin 2 theta value in first equation. So sine 2 theta is equal to p square minus 1. So 2 by q is equal to p square minus 1. 2 is equal to q into p square minus 1. The value of q of p square minus 1 is equal to tan pi by 5 plus 2 tan 2 pi by 5 plus 4 cot 4 pi by 5 is equal to dash. TSM set 2015 question. We know that the formula, that is cot theta minus tan theta is equal to 2 cot 2 theta. From this, cot theta is equal to tan theta plus 2 cot 2 theta. Applying this formula, that is tan 5 by 5 plus take 2 common, that is tan 2 pi by 5 plus 2 tan 2 cot 4 pi by 5. So applying this formula, that is tan pi by 5 plus 2 into, that is cot theta, that is cot theta means cot 2 pi by 5, that is equal to, again tan theta plus 2 cot 2 theta is equal to cot theta, that is cot pi by 5. That is the answer. Here first option is correct answer. If x and y are acute angles such that cos x plus cos y is equal to 3 by 2 and sin x plus sin y is equal to 3 by 4, then sin of x plus y equals to dash. The 2014 question. Here is given sin x plus sin y is equal to 3 by 4. Applying sin c plus sin d formula is 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to 3. And second equation is given, that is cos x plus cos y is equal to 3 by 2. Applying cos c plus cos d is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. This is first equation and this is second equation. First equation by second equation, that is equal to 2 sin of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 by 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of minus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 4 by 3 by 2. Here 3 cancel, so that is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So here 2 cancel, cos x minus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 cancel. From this, tan of x plus y by 2 equal to by 2. Now we find sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y is equal to 2 tan of x plus y by 2 by 1 plus tan square of x plus y by 2 equal to 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 5 by 4 is equal to 4 by 5. Therefore sin of x plus y is equal to 4 by 5. That is the answer. If x is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta, y is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity sin power 2n theta, comma z is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta into sin power 2n theta, and 0 less than theta less than pi by 2, then dash is TSM set 2018 question. Here is given is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta. So substituting n is equal to 0, that is 1, n is equal to 1 cos square theta, n is equal to 2 cos power 4 theta is equal to 3 is cos power 6 theta plus up to dash dash infinite terms. This is infinite GP. Know that infinite GP s infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r, that is 1 by 1 minus r is cos square 1 by 1 minus cos square theta, that is 1 by sin square theta. Similarly, y is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity sine power 2n theta, that is equal to, substituting n is equal to 0, 1 plus sine square theta plus sine power 4 theta plus sine power 6 theta 2 dash dash infinite terms. This is also infinite GP, that is 1 by 1 minus sine square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. Similarly, z is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity sine power 2n theta into cos power 2n theta. So n is equal to 0, 1, n is equal to 1, that is sine square theta cos square theta plus sine power 4 theta cos power 4 dash dash. This is also infinite GP, that is 1 by 1 minus sine square theta into cos square theta. So from this equation, x is equal to 1 by sine square theta. From this, sine square theta is equal to by x. So from this, y is equal to 1 by cos square theta, that is cos square theta is equal to 1 by y. Substituting these two values in this equation, 1 by 1 minus 1 by xy, that is equal to xy by xy minus 1. This is z is equal to xy by xy minus 1. Take cross multiply, yz minus z is equal to xy. The one relation. Here is sine square theta cos square theta, that is square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is 1 by x, 1 by y is equal to 1. So take LCM, that is x plus y is equal. Substituting this one value in the equation, xy value is x plus y, xyz minus z is equal to xy. Substituting xy value, that is x plus y into z minus z is equal to xy. Xz yz equal to xy plus z. Answer xz plus yz is equal to xy plus z. Here first option is correct answer. Sine 10 degree, sine 50 degree, sine 60, sine 70 degree is equal to m. Tan 20 degree, tan 40 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 80 degree is equal to n. Value of n by m is, this is TSM set 2018 question. Here is given m is equal to sine degree, sine 3 degree, sine 3 degrees, sine 70 degrees. We know that sine 60 is root by 2. Sine 10, sine 50 is written as sine 60 minus 10. So sine 70 is written as sine 60 plus 10. We know that the formula sine A into sine of t minus a, sine of 60 plus a is equal to 1 by 4 sine 3a. This is the formula. Applying this formula, m is equal to root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 into sine 3 into 10 sine 30. Here sine 30 value is 1 by 2. It is root 3 by 8 into 1 by 2 is equal to root 3 by, is the m equal to root 3 by 6. And n is equal to given. N is equal to tan 20 degree into tan 40 degree into tan 60 degree into tan 80 degree. Here tan 60 is root 3. That is root 3 into tan 20 into tan 40 is written as t minus tan 80 is t plus. So here is, know that the formula tan a to tan of 60 minus a tan of 60 plus a is equal to tan 3. Applying this formula, so that n is equal to 3 into tan 3a, that tan 3 into 20 that is equal to root 3 into tan 60. Again tan 60 value is root 3 into root 3. N is equal to. Then we find the value of n by m. N is 3 by m, that is root 3 by 60 equal to 3 in by root 3. This root 3 times cancelled. 3 in root 3 by m is equal to 3 in root 3. Cot theta minus tan theta minus 2 tan 2 theta minus 4 tan 4 theta is equal to dash. TSM set 2018 question. So we know that the formula, that is cot theta minus tan theta is equal to 2 cot 2 theta. Applying this formula, here is cot theta minus tan theta. Value is 2 cot theta minus 2 tan theta minus 4 and 4 equal to, take 2 common, that is cot 2 theta minus tan 2 minus 4 tan 4 theta. Again we know that cot 2 theta minus tan 2 theta is equal to 2 cot 4 theta. Applying this formula, that is 2 into 2 cot 4 theta minus 4 tan 4 theta, that is equal to 4 cot 4 theta minus 4 tan theta. Again 4 common, that is 4 into cot 4 theta minus tan 4 theta. Again we know that cot 4 theta minus tan 4 theta is equal to cot 8 theta equal to 4 into 2 cot 8 theta is equal to 8 cot 8 theta. Is the answer. If alpha and beta are the angles in the first quadrant such that tan alpha is equal to 1 by 7 and sin beta is equal to 1 by root 10, then alpha plus 2 beta is equal to dash. Here is given tan alpha is equal to 1 by 7 and sin beta is equal to 1 by root 10. Now we find the value of alpha plus beta. Applying tan, that is tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan 2 beta. So now we find the value of tan 2 beta. From this, sin beta is equal to 1 by root 10 is right angle triangle is 1 10, value is 3. From this, tan beta is equal to 1 by. Now we find tan 2 beta. We know that tan 2 beta is 2 tan beta by 1 minus square beta. 2 tan beta by 3 by 1 minus 1 by equal to 2 by 3 into by 8. 3 times cancel, 2 4 times cancel. Therefore tan 2 beta is equal to 3 by 4. So therefore tan of alpha plus 2 beta is equal to tan alpha 1 by 7 plus 3 by 4 1 minus 2 3 equal to 4 plus 21 by 28 by 28 3 by 28. Here 28 cancel equal to 25 by 20 also cancelled, that is equal to 1. Therefore tan of alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 1. That means tan of alpha plus 2 beta is equal to tan 45. Tan cancel. Alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 45 degrees, that is equal to pi by 4. Cos pi by 7, cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7 is equal to dash. Option 1 by 8, second one minus 1 by 8, third one minus 3 root 3 by 8, fourth one. This is TSM set 2018 question. We know that the formula, that is cos A into cos 2 square A into cos 2 cube A up to dash dash cos of 2 power n a power n minus 1 into a is equal to sine of 2 power n into a by power n into sine. So in this problem is given that is cos pi by 7, cos pi by 7, cos 4 pi by. So we take pi by 7 is equal to a. From this 7a is equal to pi, that is cos a cos 2a cos of 2 square into a, that is equal to, applying this formula, that is sine of 2 cube into a by 2 cube, that is equal to sine 8a by 8 sine a. This sine 8a is written as sine 7a plus a 8 sine a. We know that sine 7a value is pi. Sine of pi plus a by 8 sine a. Sine of 180 plus a is minus sine a by 8 sine a. That is sine a cancel, that is equal to minus 1 by 8. There is second option is correct answer. If cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 5 pi by 15, into cos 7 pi by 15 into cos 30 pi by 15 is equal to x, then find the value of 1 by 8x is dash. This is TSM set 2015 question. So here is given cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos pi by 15, this 5 3 times cancelled, that is cos pi by 3. We know that this value is 1 by 2. Cos 7 pi by 15, this is written as pi minus 8 pi by 15. Here cos 30 pi by 15, 15 2 times cancelled, that is cos 2 pi. That cos 2 pi, this value is 1. Substituting these values, here cos of 180 minus 8 quadrant minus cos pi by 15 is cos 60 by 2, cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi 15, cos 4 pi by 15 is, that is 2 square pi by 15. Value is cos 8 pi by 15, this is 2 cube. That the formula cos a, cos 2a, cos 2 square a, cos 2 cube a up to dash dash, cos 2 power a is equal to sine of 2 power n a by 2 power n into sine a. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into sine of 2 power n, that is power 4 a by power 4 in a. Here a is pi by 15, that is minus 1 by 2 in sine 2 power 4 a, that is sine of 2 pi by power 4 means here is 16 pi by 15 by 2 power 4 pi by 1 by 2 sine 16 pi by 15, sine of pi plus pi by 15 by 16 sine pi by 15 equal to minus 1 by 2 into 16, that is 32 into, this is sine 180 plus theta, that is minus sine pi by 15 by sine pi by 15. Sine by 15, pi by 15 cancel, equal to 1 by 32. Now we find the value of 1 by 8x is 1 by 8 into x value is 1 by 32, that is equal to 32 by 8. This is 4 times cancelled, that is equal to 4. The value of 1 by 8x is equal to 4.